every standard purchase contract says that they're going to be purchasing your property in as-is condition. Now, what happens is that the buyer, they do their inspections and they're like, you know what, this AC system, it's 30 years old. We need a brand new one or we're not going to buy this property. And so they submit a request for repairs and they want you to fix it. And at that point, you can either accept it, you can accept their terms, you can reject their terms completely, which they might get upset and walk away from the deal. You got to find a new buyer. Or what usually happens is you meet somewhere in the middle. In lieu of repair, we give them a credit. So we give them, let's say, a $2,500 credit. And they come back and they say, no, we want $7,500. You come back and you say, no, we'll give you $5,000. They agree $5,000. Great. Now, because we've agreed to all that, they now remove their inspection contingency and we move forward with the process of closing escrow.